Okay.
Molybdenum software session sponsored by Vilnius Manufacture, working on frappix with Shivaj.
Hello.
Diff against the base branch.
Git ignore Q2. Then we have our
Okay, let's ignore the contents of this file. Any other files changed?
data flake.nix. That's it. Flake.nix.
Okay. So let's take a look at the contents of in the editor, because it's just a new file, and start refining it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We have. Should I go line by line?
Sure.
Okay. We have the Nix packages input. That's we borrowed it from the NixOS test, existing NixOS test.nix. And then PKGs and NixOS. This is more like the modules. And then we have the lib from Nix PKGs. Eval NixOS is the default the library from the NixOS /default.
Yeah, which we shouldn't be using. We should be using the more complete one.
You mean the
eval config file?
Yeah, but this uses eval config.
Yes, but
it
does not expose the graph for one. Look what it does. It's not a clean wrapper. See that? Like it takes eval and then it picks stuff from it. It doesn't give you the result of the eval.
Right.
I don't like that.
Okay.
Give me the eval. Give me the my NixOS configuration is the result of calling eval modules.
Yeah. So what I can do is I can just take this same thing like this here, and instead of that, it'll be
It'll be a string.
Yeah.
Well, it depends on it. It could be a plus. It could be that. I like the string one better, but there's precedence in this project for that, so keep it. But so it's not quite it. It's like it's NixOS /lib/eval.
Oh yes. Yes, that's right.
And it's also not. It's also not whatever the heck that is, because this is where we pass our. This is like configuration equals that. Do you understand, right? Like this is the.
Yeah. I mean, I can just inline this bit in this list.
Inline.
The module. Our module here. Or do you want to keep it separate? Have the configuration.
Well, yes. Just grab that function, right? And you need to place it in parentheses. I think you should probably do the parentheses first.
Yeah. Put it here. And you need everything
in that function.
Yeah.
It's not that.
It's this, right?
It's too much. It's too much. You're looking for the NixOS module.
Oh, this bit.
That's too
But
little.
including this.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I have a same way to select that entire thing. So I'll just select this and I'll add the NixOS args.
Why can't you? Can't you start selection and then travel to that curly and then do the thing? There you go. You're missing a character there though, right?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
And now I select.
Got it.
Okay. Cut it. Think that's right? Yeah. Wait, did I select
it can't
more?
be right.
Yeah, I selected
You must
more.
have cut line based or something, or maybe you reached the wrong curly.
Yeah, it reached
This
the
is
wrong
the right curly.
Yeah.
Interesting. How'd you reach the wrong curly? That's
Yeah,
the
it is
wrong
reaching
curly.
the wrong curly. Yeah. So this is what I need.
Huh.
No, not. Now it's selected.
It was. I think it was. Wasn't it?
No, it wasn't. So if I select.
It deselected the parameter.
Yeah. So I select this, then I delete this bit. It's selecting the configuration also. It's selecting the line as well. That's weird.
Because you did not use go to, you used select. You use the select command. You need to do a go to matching.
Yeah, that's what I did. It's a matching, go to matching bracket.
Yeah.
Goes to the matching bracket.
That looks right.
Yeah, but then
if you cut, what happens?
If I cut it, oh, now it does the right thing.
See? Now who should I believe?
I think I did IM instead of MM. Okay, maybe. That's why it, okay. Now I replace it here.
No, don't replace it.
I mean, paste it.
Seems like you did the right thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it is the right thing. No, not the, not the right thing, because
almost. Seems like you're just missing the parentheses
thing.
there.
Yeah, now it's right. Then we don't need this.
Yes, you delete that and then you rename that to configuration, because I don't think it is currently configuration.
I rename this the eval to configuration.
Yes. Now
this also goes away.
Well, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Let's have a function. Let's have a function binding.
Mm-hmm. What do I call the function?
Eval NixOS is fine, the existing one.
Uh-huh.
It's just pointing at the wrong thing.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
Line 6 has the import. That is the correct import.
Yeah.
Let's replace what's in line 5 with what's in line 6.
Okay, I select this.
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
Paste it over that import.
Paste it over that import.
Now use eval NixOS. Okay. Now don't inherit system. Do system equals null. That's important here. That way we get to pass system in Nix packages host platform.
Right.
There may be a system in cells source, because there's a PKGs there. So maybe there's also a system there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Do you think we can try that?
Yeah, we can try that. Yes, you mean like this?
Yes. And then use it on line 14.
14. Yeah. I just need, don't need any of this.
Can also give us a line, another empty line after 5.
Yeah. Can also run, I tried to run Alejandra. Let's see. And I'll have to pass the file. Source, deployment, no, deployment, manual testing, runables, enter. Command not found.
What did you try to run?
The formatter, just to.
It's available in the shell as Alejandro, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You're trying to give it the file path. Don't you have like expansion for that? In NeoVim, it's %.
Oh, I don't know. I can check if there's an expansion in Helix. Oh, it formatted it. Okay. Helix current
Why don't you
file.
just try it? Like guess that it is the same as NeoVim.
Okay. Shebang. Alejandra. %.
Mm-hmm.
No. Wait. Was not properly escaped. Please use %.
Well, it's probably not.
Oh, it does work.
Okay. Well, it's 0 files.
Yeah, 0 files. Anyway, I can. All right. So, do you want to look at the configuration?
Should probably rotate.
Should we evaluate? You evaluate it first and see if it works.
Mm-hmm. What about a rotation though?
Oh yeah. Mob next.
Shared.
Mm-hmm.
System has been renamed. Where is it coming from?
Host.
Interesting. Still enforce platforms. Oh, I see. It's somewhere there's a it's implementation probably doing something like hey, why am I there? Like a dot system on a PKGs. Don't know what is yo. I've never seen that.
Inputs next PKG system.
I bet it's this. We'll take care of that sometime.
Yeah.
Did I control C it?
How it works.
Okay, so that's one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Another thing is just reading on here. This is, by the way, just a relic. We're supposed. This is the modern. I mean, maybe because of relics like this, we have lib.nixos system, but I don't like using that because that's a flake only thing. Okay. Modules. So it's a list of modules, and we have one module here, right? Which is actually not quite the nicest thing we can do, because if we want to like break it down, organize it, then we can use this list of modules to do so. So, for example, the first thing here is to import frappix.
Yeah.
And this, but then there's importing this headless. Well, so actually this should be here. It's just another module. And that should maybe be here. There's another module. Okay, I'm don't need that. This has to do with PKGs. So that's one thing. I would do this. Do this. That belongs there. This probably comes later. Set this up. PKGs. What else do we have? We have state version, which is its own thing.
Is it? I mean, yeah.
It's just completely different concern. We can merge later. We can merge some arbitrary things together if we want. I'm just trying to make order out of this chaos. Okay, networking. That has to be. I don't think we. Oh, this is necessary.
Yeah, for
maybe
the browser.
Did we actually need this? Did we end up doing firewall enable false? We did.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what happens here. Get back to this firewall enable false thing. So we have the browser and we have SSH, but SSH is up earlier. Okay. Supposedly. Now that's fine. Now the browser is also fine. Okay.
Yeah. It's being updated.
Yeah. Currently.
Oh,
okay.
Wow.
So we don't need to disable firewall. Now let's see whether we need this, right? That's Nginx.
I think it is needed. Or else maybe the EM does something to not need it.
I'm about to find out.
Yeah.
Reload.
Yeah.
Okay.
It works.
That's good. Cool. Less code?
Yeah.
Okay.
Host name.
Networking is networking, right?
Uh-huh.
So here are some networking things. What am I trying to do here? Well, next.
Sharing screen. Shared.
I feel a pull request coming up. I don't know if it's this session, maybe it's the next session, but
Uh-huh. Let's see. Runables. Okay. Users. This is
mutable users is important. False is important. It's not the default.
Yeah.
Maybe after networking, just stick it in there.
What?
Not that.
What it is? Yeah. Yes, mutable users. It's important.
But all of this has to do with SSH. That's the only reason we have this users. So it comes together, right? It's just the remote SSH access.
Yes.
So everything has to do with SSH. All this stuff, just stick that in there.
Yeah. SSH, cut this, and services.
Wait, not inside users though.
Oh yeah, my bad. Yes. Services. Stick it in there. Oh, why do I keep sticking the wrong thing? Oh, I missed this. And I should delete this. And we need the PAM stuff. Yeah. That looks good. And extra line. Oh. Yes. Okay. This networking options. This is networking, but
it's networking, yes. But it's specifically for
the VM runner. So I don't think it goes in the
port forwarding. Not specifically for any. It serves both port forwards, both accesses, right?
Yeah.
SSH and HTTPS. So it goes in the general networking.
Yeah.
Right?
Over here?
I suppose, yeah.
Okay. And what else? We have generally console.
Who says that the host name serves like the general purpose of networking, right? But it also, it's the general name, the QCOW 2 ends up being called. It's like the name of the machine. It's a bit more general than networking, but I'm fine with sticking it here.
Then we have the generally console. I think this also goes along with networking, sort of somewhat. Not but not really. But since it's related,
let's put it in its own module for now, and then see whether it can merge with anything else. It certainly has something to do with the fact that we're running this as a VM, right? And all that stuff.
Right. Then we have the Frappe service.
Okay, this can go together with the oh, you know what? Line 49 looks like together with line 43.
49 with 43.
It can't really go inside
I'll
there
have to
unless
go,
you use the imports.
Yeah. I think the formatter will handle that.
And line 53 goes together with enabling Frappe.
Yeah. Should I move Frappe out of here into its own section or let it be here?
Yes, move it out.
Okay. And
it needs to have the arg, does it? What arg is for something else? I don't know yet.
NixOS args, it's for word nginx, which is related to Frappe. So it will go in the same block. But this is not NixOS args, right? So whatever here we'll get will be just config.
I don't like nesting config inside anything. But this is not really nesting it, actually. But wait, hold on. It's not config. It is NixOS args. Like if you do a pattern parameter, you can extract the config in the pattern. But
Yeah.
I don't quite like doing that because it's hard to know. This makes it more explicit.
Yeah. I think all of this goes in there. All of these stuff.
Well,
then just keep this. That's it. Then I don't have to create another block.
Maybe.
Yeah. And move
one is
this
obviously Frappe itself, right?
Mhm.
And then there's Nginx, and the certificate is an Nginx concern, right?
Yeah.
So how about we split this into two things? One is Frappe itself, and the other is Nginx.
Okay. I'll move this out of here. And yeah. Services. And paste. And we'll need PAM, security PAM, security Acme. This. And we'll need the NixOS args. So NixOS args. Args. And that's it. I'll rotate. Next.
Sharing. Share. We have a blank line there. So this is mixed packages stuff. This is system. State version. This is host networking. This is users. I think we can do flattening here.
Empty password root login section. Empty password SSH root login.
What are you trying to say?
No, I meant this whole section is for.
Right.
Yeah.
This can flatten. Okay. This can be flattened. That. Actually, that's kind of bad. Still have a to do there.
Yeah. Nixos args is not used in the last module.
This.
No, the one below.
One below.
The Nixos args, the argument, that is not used.
Yeah. I'm trying to select the right thing, but didn't select the right thing. Hey, I'll do that. Do this. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have this import. Then we have services. It's all services frappix, so we can flatten it. And that's the end of the list. Here we have one site. We can flatten it. Not a big deal though. Okay, I don't know that we actually need anything else. Maybe we can try to use the deployment a little bit, but we already have a to do.
Yeah.
So why don't we? Okay, and let's look at the rest of this. So there's a script. That looks all right. This looks like could be this way. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Well, without single
Hey.
line is, yeah.
How did I get there? Why did I jump there? R is I don't get it. River. This is a libget.exe. I have this display none here. We're doing this thing here.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder. I mean, yes, because we're not doing them. We have overridden them somewhere else.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a long line though. It's a long line. Well, this can be in a different line, so that's fine. But now, how do we compose this line in NuScript? It's one argument, right?
Mm-hmm.
And some of it is runtime. This is runtime. Now, here's something we can do. This is that we can do. We can steal this long thing from here into its own line. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
Replace it with like something like that. So this is build time. Now this is where we wanted to put it, right? We can even rename this to like guest SSL port, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess the SSL port is better, I think. Shed. Mob start. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Mob T. Yeah. Host SSL. This is guest SSL. And we do the same thing for guest SSH. Both. Okay. And this will be guest here. And we grab that toString built inside this bit. Yeah.
It's not really SSL. It's guest HTTPS port.
Yeah. But since that's what the Nginx config says, default SSL listen port.
In the context of Nginx, HTTP is implied. And SSL means HTTPS. Anyway, don't want to go ahead and paste what you cut.
Holy shit.
Did I lose you? What's up? I'll be back in a moment.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Sorry, I
Oh,
was muted.
yeah.
Yes, there you are.
Yeah, sorry, I just lost
What's up?
power. So, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'll just
Let me see if I have your screen. I don't have your screen.
yeah, just sharing. Yeah, shared. Okay. Yeah, mob start. Right. And yeah. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, these changes not saved. I remember making the
Mobs. I don't know. It's your editor.
yeah. The working tree looks fine. I'll just make it again. But this is guest. You wanted to rename it HTTPS port, right?
Yeah, I think that makes
Okay.
sense.
Guest HTTPS port, guest SSH port, and this becomes guest HTTPS port. We grab this part and then paste it here and use that as guest SSH port. And this also becomes host as HTTPS port, right?
Yes.
Host HTTPS port and rename it here. Host HTTPS port. Looks good. Yeah, that looks good. This one was needed.
If we remove the word port everywhere, it'll be even shorter.
Right.
But maybe ambiguous. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because what does host HTTPS mean?
Yep, not good. Right. Well, it's still a bit long, but maybe now it's manageable. Your editor doesn't have a line wrapping at the moment, which is concerning.
Not by default. I haven't enabled it by default because I usually just cut it off. I don't let it extend beyond the.
Yes, but
yeah,
occasionally this happens, so you don't want to see the rest of the.
Yeah. We could use shorthands for these variables here at least. We can keep the arguments long, but this doesn't have to be long.
What doesn't have to?
The names here.
These are fine. This is good enough, right?
Okay.
It was a monster, and now it's just long. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. And then this serial was needed. These args had to just pass through extra args.
I would actually merge 83 and 84 together. Maybe? What do you think about that?
Yeah, since they're the same arg. The same, flag. Or the same flag, yeah. Yeah, this bit is not needed, right? Print tran.
No. Yeah, we totally don't need that. We don't mean to do that. Also, like, at this point, I would kind of ask myself, hey, do we actually want to exec instead?
Yes. So it'll just be exec and this.
You're assuming that this is how you exec in no shell?
Oh, it's been very long. I think since I used New Shell, it's 2-3 years ago. 2-3 years ago.
I don't know how to use exec.
Yeah.
Maybe no shell does not have exec. I don't know.
Or it does the right thing by default. Exec in New Shell. In New Shell, use do to run a command or block and an external program. Exec in bash, you just run the command normally or start the program with caret.
Cool. So we don't exec. Fine.
Okay. Yeah. So this is done. Let me mob next. Rotate it.
Sharing.
Yeah.
Shared. Right. So we've reviewed this stuff and now we have a to do.
Mm-hmm.
To do is to not get the error. We can probably do something with that unit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just kind of maybe disable that unit, right?
Yes.
If it's a distinct unit, we have a typo there. Guess this port.
Unknown command.
We need a let. This is like a let thing. Yeah, okay. It's probably a space. More reasonable syntax, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we will see at some point that error. There we go. Why does it just say system D? I don't know. Is it this one? This one?
Yeah. Yeah. Renew is the one that gives you real certificate.
Okay. So let's go dig into Acme. New. Set up service.
Can we just disable that renew service? That's it. And
I want to see what causes it to be created. Maybe there's a can prevent it from being created.
Okay.
How does that sound?
Yeah.
Acme order renew something. What am I looking at? Name value pair.
It comes from cert configs.
Okay, yeah. And it's a mapatters prime, right? So this is whatever ends up in cert configs also necessarily ends up as a renew service, right?
Yeah.
So maybe cert configs is filtered somehow. But now but here it's not. Here it's also a 1-to-1. So is certs? Certs, unless certs is filtered, right? Certs is a user-facing
option. Then I think Nginx sets it when enable Acme is true.
Yeah, this is user-facing. So if it's not here, then it could be that there is already a order renew service is on the conf. So it's this. This is the service, right? Order renew service.
Yeah.
There it is. No, it's not because it's not an option. It's not an option, but maybe it's under config.
Okay, systemd service.
Service config, common service config, and nothing here that's optional letters. Something. I don't see it anywhere else. Okay. So we find that the service is going to be called this way, right? Dot local. Yeah. Okay. And then we do something like, what do we do?
Systemd dot services.
Here, systemd dot services dot that.
Yeah.
Dot. Can we just enable false?
False. Yeah, we can.
Are you sure we can do that?
I believe yes, because we saw with that Getty in headless config, we saw for serial Getty, they did the same thing.
How do I know what window I'm in? Okay. Well, even if this works, I think we actually want to map, right?
On site.
Yes. Right? We want to do something like patterns prime. So it's config frappe serve sales dot frappe dot sites.
We don't need map address prime.
Yeah,
Do
I think we do. Because it's the name of the site is not the name of the service.
Yes.
And it'll be something like name site. And then we need
attribute set, name.
Value. Name will be something like equal false. And the name will be Acme order renew.
Yeah, frappix
That's the name
localhost
of the
will
site,
be
right?
the name. Yeah.
Is this just name?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. Do we not have this? Let's just run it. We just traded one red line for another red line.
That was renew order. This was renew.
Timer?
Yeah, this is just a timer. We can just disable the timer also.
Also or
The
only?
I don't know if timer is responsible for the initial start.
No,
but
no.
I know timer is responsible for subsequent starts.
Okay.
I mean, we could try both.
Wait. Did we even? Because I'm confused. Did we cause this or was it all already? What do you think? Confused about how to use this thing. Okay, so we caused it to not be loaded.
Yeah. So I think maybe just disabling the timer might be sufficient.
But do you understand like why we did not need to do this?
Because just, I mean,
it's
the
under
attribute
services.
Name, yeah, system D services.
Is there system D dot timers as well? Like how does this work? Or dot units? Or?
I've never disabled timer, so we gotta ask the LLM.
Okay. Well, we can continue next time.
Yeah.
Next. All right. Thank you for watching. Wildnis Manufacture, thank you for sponsoring. Good work, Shivraj. Thank you as well.
Good work.